Today we're going to install a weight on our IV pole. We're going to start with a bolt, a lock washer, 2 fender washers, a lock nut, a weight mount. We're going to use a 3/4 inch crescent wrench and a 3/4 inch socket wrench. First thing I want to do is I want to find 2 supports to get my weight elevated, and then I can reach underneath the weight and still access underneath. Once I have that figured out, I'm going to put my base on top and line it up with the center hole. I'm going to take my bolt, slide on the lock washer, slide on the fender washer, drop that in the center hub. This should drop through the weight towards the bottom. Turn this so you can see it. I'm going to take the weight mount, I'm going to insert it through the bolt, through the weight. Take my washer, install my washer underneath, and then also start with that locking nut. Once I get it started, I then take my socket wrench and insert it in the top. I then take my crescent wrench on the bottom and secure it to the nut, and then I just torque it down. I want to make sure I torque it enough so that the weight does not spin. Okay, I'm going to just do a little test, lift it up here, make sure it's solid, and it is, and now I've attached my weight. Thank you very much.